Hold on.
Okay guys, back at it again guys with another repair video. This one is the, I think it's a Planet, no, Power, yeah. This is a Power Acoustic guys, and this one is the, you could see it says 6,000 watt. We both know, yeah, it doesn't do that, but let me tell you guys, this is the best looking Power Acoustic circuit board I've ever seen. I don't know about anybody else, but this is the best layout of, I like the circuit board. Carty and fuse 4, and then you have the front view of the I must tell you guys again, I like the look of this circuit board. I don't think I ever work on a Power Acoustic with a power, you know, I'm saying power supply. The circuit board is so, you know, put together. I like the look of the circuit board, guys. I really do. Right, but let's see what's the problem with this board. So I got this one in, it's in protection mode. So let me turn this a little bit. Guys, it's in protection mode, so let's see. And yeah, I got it with, yeah, right here, as you guys can see. Yeah, somebody was, some other technician was looking at the circuit board before checking it out. Let's see. And this uses for output, this uses the B31. It says B started at B. Normally it starts with something else, like a FB. I would say FB, no, IRFB, yes, IRFB 31 and N20D. So this one uses, that's what it uses for the output. Yeah, guys, you can see from oh yeah, from here it seems like maybe a screw or something got these two pins right here. Guys, let me see if I can, yeah, right there, you could see that where the, yeah, you could see where something made contact with the one, see, with the source and the drain. Yeah, something definitely made contact with the source and the drain right there. So let me just remove this, guys. All right, let me go ahead and remove, wow, remove this. Yeah, because somebody didn't have the parts for it, but yeah, the person didn't tell me exactly what happened. He just told me it's in protection mode, but yeah, he already take it to somebody to check it out, to get it checked out. Yeah, even here it does have the same thing. Oh, so all this side is output. Okay, and that's power supply. That makes sense. All right. Make perfect sense. I was wondering. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just replace every single, well, let's not jump in the gun. Let's see if I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 output. That's a 31 N20, and let's see how it goes from there. So I'm gonna check and see if I have those to repair this amplifier. Wow, what's going on here? But guys, I must say, yeah, this circuit board I really like. You know, the look of this circuit board. It's really, you know, put together uniform, as they'd say. You know, I like it. It's the best thing I've seen from Acoustik, honestly. Honestly. And these are for the power supply MOSFET. It's the IRF 3205. Yeah, guys, that's what's in the power supply for the power supply MOSFET. Really? What's going on? Let's see, guys. I don't know why this one is not coming off. Okay. Good. It does now. Okay, perfect. Alright. Guys, this is how it looks for now. Let me see if I can put this at an angle way. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Next thing, guys, let me remove the front panel here, the facing of the amplifier, this front plate right here for the input. You have the input jack and indicate the LED indicator, protect on power, and the knobs for the volume and the gain knobs here. Okay, I took this off. This side I'm gonna only remove 4 screws right here, yeah, because I'm gonna leave this on. Because this amplifier could have repaired from the top, but I chose not to because of, you know, stuff that happened in the past, yeah, it's not a good idea. It's best to just check the old circuit board, right? You know, right through, make sure everything is okay. You could have damaged circuit. Okay, wow, look at that. I didn't even know it comes out this way. Wow. Uh-oh. Alright, guys. So this is the circuit board for this Power Acoustik. I tell you guys, it looks really, it's pretty. I like it. I think this is the best circuit board Power Acoustik has. I don't know if I don't work on any other one, but a circuit board look just like this. And these caps are, the real caps are the 100 volts 1800 microfarad, and let's see here now. Hold on, no, these are the rectifier diodes, and these are them. Let me see the part number, and these are let's see here. Alright, guys, so that's how I do. I use some of the E component from it to, and it's show it really good. So I'm gonna tell you the number for this. It's the MB40, and then the other part number is the U20D30C MB40. Alright, so that's it for that. Pause the video, guys, if you don't get that. So you know it goes, guys. And so now let's see what's going on here. So output MOSFET 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna have to replace 10 of them, guys. So let me plug this my solder iron in, and then I think I should just, but now I'm not sure if anything else is bad. I'm gonna check around, look around, check around, and see. These caps looks good right here. These caps look good. Power supply caps are really looking good. So only these MOSFET here, 31, and let me see here if I have 10 in a big batch. Oh wow. So I have a batch here with let's just see. 10. Wow. This one is running away already. So I'm gonna see if I have enough here. Yeah, I think I should have enough. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, guys, yeah, I think I found 10 matching pair. Yeah, I found 10 matching pair. Let me show you guys the ones I'm going to use. I used these before and they work perfectly. So this, let me see if I can. Okay guys, so that's the, it says FB 31N20D. So that's it for that. I'm gonna just remove these right here now. Let me just remove this. Wow. Yep. Man, this circuit board, I must say guys, this circuit board looks really good. I wish I was using a close-up camera. So you guys could see what I'm talking about. But yeah, it really put together. So let's see it plays. This definitely. It says 6,000 watt. I know it's giving more than a 1,000. Definitely, no joke about it. Yeah, it's over 1,000. I'm sure, and it's over 1,500. Definitely. Okay. So let's see. Wow, jeez, this thing just, wow, the thing is too powerful. Something is wrong with that. Okay, go. All right. Okay. Go back. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna stop the video and then I'm going to replace the new ones, and I'll let you guys know if everything is okay. Once I replace it, I'm gonna do a test. You guys will see what I'm talking about. You know, I'm not testing it unless I show you guys what's going on. This part is getting boring, so I don't want to take up too much time, you know, removing these MOSFET from the circuit board. I must say guys, these are reading okay, but I'm going to put in a fresh batch of, that's the best way to go, a fresh batch of 31N20D. okay guys, so see you in part 2 of this video guys.
Hold on.